Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. We are starting our Christmas cooking. You can watch more unique recipes in our upcoming videos. So let's start this series with hot chocolate. If you are a true chocolate lover, this is the perfect one to get indulged in. So let's see how to make this thick and creamy hot chocolate drink. Let's start by chopping some semi-sweet dark chocolate. Here I have used approximately 1 cup of it. Now take a milk pan, add 1 cup full fat milk, half a cup of thick cream, and if you are using regular cream, you can use 1 cup, around 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder, and the chopped chocolate. The coffee powder is optional, but it will really help to enhance the chocolate flavor. Now give it a mix and turn on the flame, and you have to cook this mixture on a very low flame. And once the milk gets heated up, the chocolate will start to melt, and you can see the milk gets darker and darker color. You have to cook this till it becomes thick and creamy. Don't boil it. When you start to see small bubbles, turn off the flame. Now you can see the chocolate drink has become really creamy. And there you go. Our super easy to make hot chocolate drink is ready. You can top it up with some whipping cream or some beautiful marshmallows. This is one of those recipes you can just sit back, relax and have it during this cold weather. So definitely try this creamy chocolatey drink during this Christmas. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel GreyPot. Wait for more interesting Christmas recipes. Thank you.